Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Uphold. Let's get straight into the video. The first method is to do so through the Uphold website. And what you want to do is to go to the Uphold official website and then log into your Uphold account. And next you want to click on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the page, and then you want to select accounts or settings from the drop down menu, and then you want to click on security or two-factor authentication, and then you want to click on enable two-factor authentication. And now you can choose your two-factor authentication method, and that could be authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, and you could also use SMS authentication. So just follow the prompts to set your chosen two-factor authentication method. Now, of course, the second method is to enable two-factor authentication through the Uphold mobile app. And what you want to do here, first of all, is to open the Uphold mobile app on your device, and then you want to log into your Uphold account. Next, tap on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on settings or account settings, and then tap on security or two-factor authentication. Now you just want to tap enable two-factor authentication, and now you got to choose your two-factor authentication method. And as I said before, you can use the Google Authenticator or Authy, or you could also use SMS authentication. Just follow the prompts, and that's going to help you set your chosen two-factor authentication method. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. So I hope you liked it, hope you found that video useful, and if you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends so they can also have this info, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because your subscription helps us out so very much on this channel. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.